Greetings and farewells, a comprehensive guide to English salutations. Listen and repeat. Hello. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hi. Hi. Hi there, nice to see you. Hey. Hey. Hey, what's up? Howdy. Howdy. Howdy, partner, welcome to the rodeo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. How may I assist you today? Good night. Good night. Good night, sweet dreams, and sleep tight. Salutations. Salutations. Salutations to all attendees. We are thrilled to welcome you to today's conference. What's up? What's up? Hey there, what's up with you? How's it going? How's it going? Hi there, how's it going for you today? How are you? How are you? How are you feeling today? Is everything going all right? What's new? What's new? What's new with you? I haven't heard from you in a while. Long time no see. Long time no see. Hey there, long time no see. It's great to catch up with you again. See you later. See you later. All right, I'll see you later. Take care. Take care. Take care. Goodbye, take care of yourself. Farewell. Farewell. Farewell, it was lovely meeting you. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon, I'm looking forward to it. Catch you later. Catch you later. All right, catch you later.